In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your audio and video devices in Slack. So if you want to add cameras or microphones in Slack, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, all you need to do is to go to your account here and then click on your profile icon. From this, click on Preferences, and under Preferences, you'll see we have a list of options here, and among them is audio and video. So if you click on this, now you'll get a pop-up message where you can go ahead and choose an audio device. For my case, you can see I already have one audio device here. If I wish to change to another, I can also click on this and choose one that I wish. So I'll leave it to this. Now, if you also have a video capture device such as a camera, it will also be available and you can now also choose. So once you have selected the one you want, now you can go ahead and allow them to be connected to this app by clicking on allow while visiting the site. And now you can see the system will go ahead and pick the microphone, and the microphone has been added here. If you have a camera connected, if you had selected there, you should be able to see it here among the list and it will be picked automatically. You can also go ahead and choose the device speaker. If you are using a computer, you can also go ahead and choose the speakers or even the headphones that you are using on your device. And as you can see here, if you have allowed this, it will go ahead and connect with your device. And for instance, I can choose OBS camera here and then also click on allow while visiting this site. And that is it. It will be captured. And now you can see I've chosen the OBS camera, and now it is available here for selection. Once you are done, go ahead and run the test to see that each and every device is running fine by clicking on test here. You can test speakers. You can also go ahead and even run tests for all the devices that you have just added here. So that's how you can add audio and video devices in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.